James, are you facing any challenge? James, Tolulope, Starlight, please, you guys are free to unmute your mic. Okay, this is going to be a very interactive session tonight.
No, for me, I'm not facing any challenge actually, because I feel like the class itself has been very explanatory, yeah, and kind of like very detailed. So no, but thank God we have like a platform where um everyone on blockchain lab can be assessed. So I don't think like it's going to be an issue like futuristically with help or anything, because you guys seem very approachable and you literally said you've opened a space and we could come in there. So I think that solves like a lot of, if anyone has challenge. I'm speaking for let me speak for myself, please.
Yeah,
My bad.
thank you. I always appreciate feedback, right? I'm always keen on feedback. And whatever you are doing in this life, even if you are running a Web2 business, open to feedback, so that you can know whether you are doing things right or not. So thank you, Starlight. I appreciate that feedback. Then I want to ask a question. How many of you have created your own wallet? Please unmute your mic and just talk to me. Have you created your wallet? If you cannot unmute your mic, probably you are in a very noisy environment. You can just drop a message in the call, right? There is a way you can drop a message. I'm sure most of you are familiar with that. I want to be sure. Have you created your wallet from yesterday's session? Okay. Yeah. He has a wallet. I like that. I like that. Okay. So Starlight, do you have a wallet? Tolulope, do you have a wallet? Now. Oh, okay. Tolulope said he has a wallet as well. Amazing. I like that. So Starlight. Phantom wallet. Trust. Is plenty. Eh? Just don't go far. Eh? I dey fear you already. You don't get property to get trust, still get phantom, still get MetaMask wallet. Now would you? So Starlight, do you have the wallet as well?
Yeah, I do. I've always had a wish list.
Okay, on what platform? Like which um mobile app do you use? Is it Trust? Is it Rabbi or Rabbi Wallet? Is it MetaMask? Let us know. Am I wrong? Please, if I'm not wrong and you can hear me, just drop an emoji. Ah, you be like I don't know. Oh, okay. So Tolulope said he has Flare wallet. That's for Solana, and he has Trust wallet. I like that. I like that. That means you know what you are doing. Starlight, please, I just want to be extra sure, right? If I just drop, if you cannot talk, just text in the income message and just drop the wallet that you are using. If it's MetaMask, Rabi wallet, Soflare, just name it. There are so many wallets in this ecosystem. Oh, okay. Thank you, Starlight. I appreciate that. So she said she has a trust wallet. I like that. So without wasting too much time, so let's go to tonight's session. And ladies and gentlemen, I want to say welcome to day 4. There's this saying about life. Many are called, but few are chosen, right? And the same thing applies to whatever you want to do in this life. Even in school, everybody enters school to get a degree. But at the end of the day, how many people come out with excellent grades that can position them for global opportunities? So when you hear blockchain and Web3, some people, because they've seen their friends make money from it, or they hear that people make money from it, that vibe make them sign up for trainings like this, right? But they don't have the energy, the vibe, to see it to the end. And that is why only people that take actions can ever rule this world. Let me say this again. In 50 years to come, when most of us will be old, it is the doers, the action takers, that will always make money in this space. Right? So I will congratulate you that for you to take this training serious, despite the fact that it is free, and despite the fact that we're not charging you any money, not that we can charge you, we know what we are doing, but we just want to make sure that people in Oshobo, right, and young people as the whole have an opportunity to make their lives. If you are making 1K, 2K from Web3, $1K today is 1.5 million approximately. Your life is not just getting better. People that are around you will also enjoy that money, right? That is why we are taking it upon ourselves to make sure that you are properly empowered. If we look at it, so many of you signed up for this class. I may not be able to share some very sensitive data, right? A lot of people signed up for this class that we saw from our back end. But how many have been able to see to the end? There are some people that are still going to join this class tonight. Probably they are stuck in traffic and all, which is understandable. But compared to the number of people that signed up, I just want to tell you that if you have, some of you that are here, or all of you that are here, that you are taking this class serious, despite the fact that it is free, I want to congratulate you that please and please, there is a whole lot of opportunities for you in Web3. Me personally, most of the things I've achieved as a man in my life, let me quickly keep this in. I'm married, right? I have a very wonderful family. I'm a father of two. Most of the things I've achieved as a man in this life, I got it from Web3 through jobs, through airdrops, through hackathons, everything Web3. I've done a lot of Web2 jobs, but none has been able to reward me handsomely aside Web3. So, everything you've learned so far, I want you to put it at the back of your mind as you can make it and you can make it big. This is just a fundamental course. There's a whole lot of stuff to still go into. For some of you that you have design skill, for some of you that you have programming skills, for some of you that you have content creation skills, we have a hub. If you have been following our social media, and we have a hub live in Oshobo that you can always come around where you'll be able to even meet one-on-one. In case you are doubting that who is this young man that's always like talking to us and all. From Oshobo, I made all the money from Web3 live and direct in Oshobo. I traveled to Lagos for events, programs, and all that. But I have always been in Oshobo since 2018 that I got to the States as a core member. And I have made money, right? Live making money that has bettered my life, my family, and people around me. So I want to let you know that in Web3, it is a global space. You are not limited by the single factor. So far that you have a phone, you have internet, you have laptop, and you can follow simple instruction, and you can be creative. You can make it. And that is why we at Blockchain have decided to make sure that people don't need to go to Lagos or Abuja to do Web3. You can do Web3 from the comfort of your home. As I'm doing this live call with you right now, I'm here in Oshobo, and I'm sure my network is okay. If my network is okay, can you just give me a thumbs up? If you can hear me loud and clear, please, I need your thumbs up. I need your energy. All right, thank you. So, which means we don't get problems for Oshobo. We don't get network issue unless your area is bad. I'm saying all this before I go to the technical aspect of tonight so that you can know that blockchain does not care about your color, your gender, and where you come from. It is about your skill. So please and please, I am personally advising and imploring that after this program, our community is open. We can only help you. The only way we can help you is to teach you like this. The only way you can help yourself is to go out there, explore more, come back to us. Ah, hello, please, I'm facing so problem. I don't know how to navigate this. Trust me, I will reply you. If I cannot reply immediately, we have other core team members that will reply you. I'm trying to participate in a social hackathon on Solana, on Lisk, on Ethereum, on Base, and I'm facing this problem. We are hoping to help him. There are some trainings that you can come and do physically. If you are stuck, our office is at Oguluwa, if you are in Osogbo, you can always reach out to us. We are a physical team. We are not just a virtual team because even us, we do a lot of stuff. So I want to beg you. This training has been free or is free. Let me put it that way because we don't want to overcharge people. Not that we cannot charge you guys. If I'm dedicating my time, this time I'm dedicating for you, I can probably be using it for other stuff, just like every team member. But we just want to make your life better. So the only way you can help us is to go out there, go and put yourself out there. The world is waiting for you. Don't limit yourself. We're in a digital space. Blockchain is for everybody. Now you have a wallet. You know how to you know how to do analysis on Ethereum, you know how to do analysis on Bitcoin, you know how to do analysis on Solana. There's nothing stopping you. See, come. Now this if you go university, now the same curriculum, they run for UI. Now they run for Uniport. Now they run for Uniben. So don't limit yourself. Say you they in fact, when it comes to lights, now they supply most of these regions in Southwest. So please, before I go to tonight, I'm going to be training a lot of stuff tonight myself. I want you to open your mind. Same way I open my mind since 2018, blockchain has benefited me a lot. Okay. Let me also add that next month we are going to be holding a blockchain event, physical event, where you'll be able to meet me and some of our team members. And it's not going to be practical, 100% practical. It's going to be fun and blockchain, like a Web3 event. So please prepare your mind. We are going to be dropping a link in the Telegram community for you to show indication. It's going to be live in the show. There'll be fun, there'll be games, and we are going to be talking about how you can make money in Web3. You'll be able to meet me like, oh, so this is this voice, this is Shei's voice, this is Bolamiwa's voice, our technical team, our research team, our team lead, right? We want to everything I'm telling you, bro. Sis, I'm live and direct in the show. You make nobody to bobo you. People are making cool money in the show through Web3, and you can do the same. So don't doubt yourself. You just need to take your time, learn, improve of yourself, your skills, and put yourself out there. So without wasting much time, let me welcome you once again to tonight's session. This is going to be our last night, and of course, tomorrow is our graduation day where we are going to be sending our certificates, and then every one of you will be able to come in to come and gist, chat, and all. But tonight we are going deep and deep. So I'm going to be sharing my screen in a couple of seconds. So if you can hear me loud and direct, before I start sharing my screen, please drop me an emoji. Thank you. All right, I appreciate that. So let me start sharing my screen. There's a voice we are hearing. I beg you. Starlight. Thank you. All right, so I'm sharing my screen right away. Okay. Uh, I'm sure my screen is showing loading. I don't know. Network, or is it anything? Okay, so I don't know why the network. Let me reload. I get my slide. See my screen. You can see my screen. Please send me an emoji. You can see my screen. Please share me. Send me an emoji. Am I audible?
Me, I can't see your screen, no, but I can hear you, but I can't see your screen.
Please, can you see my screen? Please, okay, yeah. It's better now. I'm sure you can see it now. Don't worry. I don't already talk to my village people, so you are in power. Thank you, James. Why is good to have you on board. You joined late, but we're happy to have you on board. So, I want you to have a very open mind. I'm going to be doing a lot of demonstrations for us tonight. So please, I need your undivided attention. Okay. So, there's something we call applications. Remove it on my screen. I can see troubleshooting dApps. There is a letter before the application. When I say application, some are already familiar. You have mobile application, your banking apps, access bank application, OP bank application, Instagram, Facebook. They are all applications. Applications can be mobile and they can be web, right? But there is a letter D in front of apps. That D stands for decentralized applications. And these are applications that, apart from being normal applications that you are already using, they have Web3 functionality. Okay, Precious, you're welcome. You joined late, but we're happy to have you. They are Web3 applications. And these are applications that have Web3 functionalities. Okay, so we are going to be walking you through some of these applications. In your journey in Web3, you'll be doing a lot of stuff. There are gaming decentralized applications. There are DeFi decentralized applications. Um, there's an application that sponsored Big Brother Nigeria. Patricia. Yes, I want to remember. Please, how many of you remember Patricia? Big Brother Nigeria, Patricia. I think it was 2 years or 3 years ago. If you remember, please drop an emoji. How many of you remember Patricia? They were a very big brand that sponsored Big Brother Nigeria. Yes, thank you, James. Thank you, Mayo. I appreciate that. So, Patricia, during their time, though they folded up now due to some issues, was a crypto company in Nigeria that enables Nigerians and Africans to send and receive digital currencies like Ethereum, Bitcoin, USDT. But because they want to make sure that in Nigeria, people know them, and they were looking at a platform platform where they can push their brand. And they felt Big Brother Nigeria is a platform that Nigerians and young people are familiar with. So they decided to sponsor Big Brother Nigeria. And that's why Patricia is just an application in the Web3 space that's solving a niche, right? They help you to send and see money. They are giving application. Try your Candy Crush that used to play Candy Crush. If you want to add Web3 functionality to it, you know Candy Crush, you just go to Google or your iOS store, you just look Candy Crush and start playing the game. You get points. But if they had Web3 functionality to it, you will be able to connect your wallet address so that every point that you get is being recorded to your wallet address. Now, if the Candy Crush team decided to say that every player that has been playing their Candy Crush game that has gotten points, a certain amount of points, can now use that point to get some special reward, maybe airtime, maybe laptop, maybe different opportunities. My sincere apologies. Welcome to Nigeria. I don't know, my network just went off for no reason. Just went off. Please, if you can hear me loud and clear, drop an emoji. Thank you so much. Say welcome back. I don't know. This is the problem. Now, people in US, they are looking for jobs. The same job, what would they look for? We have the technical experience, we have the sharpness as Nigerians. But just imagine an interview now, and the Web3 company wants to onboard you, they want to give you a job, and you're running an interview. Just imagine your network just going off. You start asking you questions. Hello, are you okay? What's the problem? You went off. You start coming up with stories. Maybe my neighbor just gave birth and I had to like change my location. Welcome to Nigeria, my people. Some of you that you are already doing remote work, these are the problems that we face. Nigerians, gee, it's crazy, man. But without wasting much time, let me share my screen again so that we can have this session tonight because I am very, very excited. I'm happy that we are going to a stage in Web3 where you will learn a lot. Okay? So, okay. So, yes, I'll be explaining what is a decentralized application. So, a decentralized application is a software program that runs on a blockchain or peer-to-peer network. Instead of a centralized server. Unlike traditional applications like Uber, decentralized applications are open source, permissionless, and controlled by smart contracts, not distributed. They are the gateway to Web3, giving users direct control over their data assets. Okay, enough of the technical jargons. Let me tell you one thing. Okay. Um, imagine a decentralized application to be like just we started right days ago. Some of you are already active on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. But no matter the amount of followers, in fact, I came across a post recently that TikTok was banning some accounts, right? They said some of these accounts had potent followers, like they have followers that are bots. So that they had accounts that had bots, like robots. Imagine robots following you. Just imagine that tomorrow you just wake up and you have like 50K followers, and you're like, hey, Joe, how many people do I even know in this life? Since I don't enter this world, do you have up to 50 friends that I know that are only on TikTok? Those are robots, they are not real human beings. Okay, now if tomorrow now you violate or for any reason you don't be begging them, you will appeal. But if you appeal and they still don't accept your appeal, that means your account is gone. That is a Web2 profile because you are at the mercy of Facebook. They own you. They own all the content on their platform. Despite the fact that the content you put benefits are. Someone said I'm wrong, please. Precious said I'm wrong. Please, if I'm wrong, if you cannot hear me, let me know. But if you can hear me, can you drop an emoji, please? Ah, wow. It seems I'm wrong. True, true. Can you guys hear me? Thank you. Tolulope indicated that you can hear me loud. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. So, okay, thank you. I appreciate that. So, like I was saying, if Facebook decides to ban your account from there is nothing you can do about it. But in blockchain, every social media network that is built, remember, that is built on blockchain has multiple servers. You control your data. If the society ban you can export your data and go to another beginning. That is the simple thing. Recently, AWS, Amazon, that is a cloud network provider, went down. And when AWS server went down, Just one company server went down. One company, it affected Snapchat, it affected Copilot, which is like um an, an alternative to ChatGPT. It affected a whole lot of companies. Just one company server that went down. Over 100 companies were affected. Just imagine. Now imagine that your own company, that you are processing transactions, that your employees are being paid, and you are relying on AWS server, and decided to. That means if AWS server does not come up in the next 1 month, that means your customer in Nigeria here or in Osogbo, they will be angry. They'll be like, you have collected money from them, it did not deliver. But it is not your company. And the company is having a problem. But your customer is need to understand because it's none of their business whether the company. No, that's the problem of one. Why? Their job must continue. It does not mean that their job must end because the owner of their job is dead or is down. No, it can only continue when every member of their job has a copy of the job data. I know when I will collect money, I know how many people have to be paid. Everybody has data. So if one member is down for natural causes, which can happen at any time, the agile must continue. The same thing applies to decentralized application. The fact that one company is down, the fact that one company is down does not mean that everything should end. So what we're with your wallet address. Remember that everything is always tied to your wallet address. So that is that. So let's continue. Okay. All right. So how does decentralized application works? So they use smart contracts so that intermediary. Remember the purpose of intermediary is that if me and you agree that tomorrow morning, let us meet at stadium. Stadium. Please, I want to even verify something. How many of you are in Oshogo at the moment? Right? Please, if you are in Oshogo, just send an emoji so that I will know that the example I'm citing is not okay. Thank you. So let's just imagine that I tell you that half a guy, we have a client that will meet with tomorrow for work, and let's meet at stadium. Everybody know where stadium is. After you don't know, I don't know. Let's meet at 10 a.m. I will not agree that if by 10 a.m. no, the meeting should cancel. We are the technology, right? But if by 10 a.m. one of us meet up, the other person that does not meet up by 10 a.m. should be fined 2,000 naira. We are already agreed as of now. That is the purpose of blockchain. You cannot come by 10:30 tomorrow and you start giving me excuse. Something happened. Your grandma had some accident. Oga, that one no concern me. Because yesterday we have signed an agreement that at so time we must meet up. But if you don't meet up, this is the next thing that must happen. That is the purpose of blockchain. It does not allow for intermediaries. or unnecessary explanation. Let us meet. Let us meet. If you don't meet up, this is what should happen, and these are the expectations, right? So that logic is written on smart contracts. You know, there's a reason why we put smart contracts in bold, because developers write code that makes smart contracts. So some of you that may want to go into smart contract development, we have an open space where you can come and learn advanced smart contracts. Please, this is not a male or female stuff. Even as a female, please, blockchain is open to everybody. Don't be scared. Come around. We'll train you. We'll teach you and position you to be a global technology expert. So we use smart contracts. And let me tell you, every blockchain had a smart contract. Solana, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all of them they have their programming languages. The same way that in my house, once it is 7 a.m., 7 p.m., everybody must eat their dinner. If you go to another house and you're expecting that you eat dinner, it might be that in their own house they eat dinner by 9 p.m. That is their own rule. You must abide by it. So every blockchain has their own rules. In your house, you have rules. In another house, you have rules. If you go and visit another person, you must abide by their rules. If another person comes to your house, you come and visit you, you must abide by your rules. That is what makes blockchain works. Then, what makes a decentralized application special is that you must connect a wallet. There must be a way for you to connect a wallet. You must always connect a wallet. That is the power of blockchain. It's not your regular application. That's why wallet is very important. And that's why we told you that when you are creating a wallet, you must keep your seed phrase secure, because it is like your password to operate applications. Remember, when Mr. Bola was telling us yesterday, he said wallet is very essential. If you lose your seed phrase, there is no customer care to call. You cannot call customer care. Nobody is going to help you. If you lose it, you lose it. Even if you have 100K in that wallet, it is gone for life. So let's move on. All right. So now we are going to very advanced aspects. So I'm going to be running a little session, practical demonstration for us now. Like I always tell you, we are not just about theory. We want to show you practical stuff. So what you this particular application or decentralized application allows you to swap from one asset to the other. Let me give you a small example. Just imagine that you want to swap naira to dollar or naira to Japanese yen or Chinese yuan or rupees, anything. You can come to this platform and swap. Now, this platform allows you to swap regardless of any chain that you have. Remember that we have a lot of blockchain. So any blockchain that you have, you can come here, swap. What I want to show you now is not a testnet transaction, it is a live transaction. Now, most of the platforms or decentralized applications that we have out there, they are built on this Uniswap. They are a copy of this Uniswap. This project actually gave us an airdrop in 2021 or 2022, and everyone that was eligible for that airdrop made at least $15,000 to $20,000 anywhere you are in the world. I know close friends that made money from Uniswap airdrop in Nigeria, and they made 20K, average of 20K, because they use this application. I'm not saying that if you use this application and you're going to get any future airdrop, but I'm just telling you that this particular product, a decentralized Web3 application, has gone far and they have made life easy for so many people to do on-chain transaction. In fact, most of our Web3 applications or products in Nigeria, they are more or less like they tapped ideas from this platform. So that is why we want to walk you through how to use this platform. So please and please pay a very keen attention to what I'm going to be showing you now. So I want to do a live transaction swapping on Uniswap. Okay. So if you can hear me, please drop an emoji. All right, thank you. I appreciate that. So let me go to Uniswap. Let me first check my wallet. How much do I even have? In this Web3 Sapa deal, make the money with the face Sapa. So, yeah. Please, anybody that wants to say something, we are going to technical stuff. I just want to hear you guys' voice so that I know that the bill I still get one small question. Can you see my screen? Can you see my Rabi wallet pop up?
You can see your screen showing swap anytime, anyway. Yes.
Please unmute your mic. Don't stop. I have small dollar. Okay, I can see my Rabi wallet showing small dollar. That's actually live transaction.
Your line
Okay.
is breaking.
Why? I don't. It's network actually. My wallet is not showing. Why are you so much interested in my wallet? Are you trying to hack my $2? Bro, I don't get money. Oh. So don't worry, it's network issue. So Uniswap is already loading. Those are the problem. Nigerians, you face problem with network. Oh. So please, while you are grinding and you have the brain to hustle in Web3, be praying for a favorable network. So that's why all the guys, once they make money, the person that go and buy Starlink. There is a reason why. Because you need, imagine you want to play games where I'm not even talking about Web3 games. Do you know how much people are making Web3 games? They're not playing Candy Crush. There are Web3 games that you can play that can make you money. Don't worry, we share this stuff in our Telegram community. But right now, Uniswap is loading, but it is so obvious that my network is a problem. I know. Because maybe because of the rain, I don't know, but my network is the rain. And I want to do a small transaction so that you guys can see how we swap on Uniswap, right? So, oh my God. Yeah, I just tried. I know. You can only see the slide because I'm trying to load Uniswap page, but it's not loading. Okay. Awesome. Yes, this is Uniswap. Can you see this Uniswap? Yeah. Ah, see, I'm already suspecting she is very invested in seeing how much dollar I have. But bro, I don't get money. I don't get money. So this is Uniswap. I'm sure you can see this tab. If you can see this tab, please drop an emoji. If you can see, drop an emoji. Am I wrong? Please, am I wrong? Ah, it seems you people can hear me. Am I wrong? Oh, okay. Thank you, Precious. See that your thumbs up, Precious. It makes me feel alive. Thank you so much. So that means you can hear me. So let me go back to you. Yeah. All right. I appreciate everyone's feedback. So this is Uniswap, right? Let me tell you, Uniswap has made life easy for maybe say loss in your Web3. You'll be seeing a loss. Decentralized applications allow you to connect your wallet. This is my wallet address. Let me see. Let me first and foremost, let me disconnect my wallet. There are people who think, let me connect. So I'll connect. It will now ask me how many wallets do I have available to connect. So can you see I have Rabi wallet? You can see that I have Rabi wallet. I recently used Rabi wallet. I have Ethereum already that can connect with this application. Remember, it's an application, but because it's a decentralized application, you need to connect a wallet with it. So it is naturally detecting all the wallets that I can use. So I have Rabi, I have Ethereum, I have Souffle. Rabi is an EVM. Ethereum is an EVM wallet. Souffle is a Solana wallet. So you can see that you must always have all these wallets. That's why we took you through Bitcoin, EVM, and Solana wallet. So because I love Rabi wallet, so I'm connecting Rabi wallet. So let me connect my Rabi wallet. So it's asking for my password. I'm waiting for you to connect. Okay. I don't know. This is network stuff. Oh my God. Why is network? Can you see why? Okay. So, guys, please can you hear me? And you can see my screen. Can you guys hear me? If you can hear me, please let me know by dropping an emoji. Thank you, Precious. Precious, yeah, lifesaver. Thank you to the love. I appreciate that. So I don't mind the network, okay? We have an amazing time. So now I've connected my wallet and I connected Rabbi. Remember that last so yesterday we went out to create a Rabbi wallet. Now you are not seeing the importance of having a wallet and why this wallet are important. Now, remember there are so many network, so many blockchain. So I want to do a small live chat. This is a real money stuff. It's not so you can see that I'm a poor man. So I'm showing you my special money. So this is Ethereum, this is USDC, this is USDT, this is Rapid ETH across different network. Now I have $4.21 on Ethereum. I have $3.41 on Base. But because Base is very cheap to do transaction, so let us go for Base. So I already select. Can you see? Naturally, Uniswap just gave me the notification at the top right hand section of my screen that I am swapping on Base. So now I want to swap Ethereum on Base. Please, I sincerely apologize about the network. So please just manage me. Anytime you see me go offline, I'm just trying to reboot the network. Okay. I'm not trying to leave you guys alone, right? I think the rain affected the network badly tonight. Okay, so let's just manage it. We are all Nigerians now, we're not ADP, right? So deal with me. Okay. So if you can hear me loud and clear, just drop me an emoji. All right, thank you, James. I'm so happy to hear from you, though you came late. We missed seeing your reactions and all that. So I'm trying to share my screen now so that you get the money that I want to swap. Even though I'm a poor man, I'll show you money. I'm a poor man, so don't think I have money. So you guys can see this screen now. So I want to swap. Remember, I was trying to show you that I want to swap on base network. So I already have small dollar. I have $3.41 on base, and I want to swap it from Ethereum to base network. I want to deliberately show you this live transaction so that if you are faced with an interface like this or a decentralized application like this, you will not be lost. Okay. So I'm trying to do that. What's wrong with this data? There you go. You people, please, anybody that hold it in there, so please hold it very well. God bless you. So let's try this. Network code. How many people have collected someone's wife or girlfriend at the NEPA or MTN office? I beg, tell them that we need them tonight to release the network for us. I hope I'm not wrong, guys. I hope I'm not rugging. Oh, I beg, nobody's hearing my voice. Thank you to the Lord. Thank you. I appreciate that precious. Thank you. Thank you to the Lord. Okay. It seems I'm not even the only one facing network issue. So, yes. So let's do it like this. So let's swap 0.00. I'll take your questions after this small demonstration. 0.001. I want to make it 0.002. So I want to swap 0.00022 from Ethereum to USDC. Please, this is a live transaction. This is real money. So please pay attention. Now, me, I want to sell from Ethereum to USDC. So this application will look for available from me at a reasonable fee. Now, it has given me a rate. Look at the fee. The network is telling me that the blockchain is telling me that they will collect 0.01 from me. Remember that every blockchain have their own cost that they used to pay miners or validators that approve your transaction. It's just like CBN that says that for every naira that you send, there is 10 naira that CBN collects. OPay will tell you, Access Bank will tell you. So there is an amount, there is a cost for everything you do online. So this is the cost, and it is being updated. The reason why this body is going on and off is because this cost is being updated every time. So it can change. It can go up a bit, it can reduce a bit, right? So that's why you can see that the body is going up and down. Apart from that part that my network is messing up anyways, but the body is always going up and down. Now, if I swap now, it will ask me to proceed with swapping with my wallet address. This brings us again back to the importance of wallet address. Let me do that. Can you see? Confirm the wallet, and immediately it brings me to my wallet address. So if I approve now, I confirm, and you see, everything is done with your wallet address. So what makes a decentralized application unique is that everything you do is connected to your wallet address. So that is why your wallet address is the most important thing that you must make sure that you keep secure. So on Uniswap, I just did a small transaction simulation. It's a real money. Now pure money I do. Don't you say na demo money. This one I confirm money I spend na I do transfer. So no go reason I say na demo money. This one na real money. So I don't get money, but na small question money where I get. Na I do transfer. Make una yeah, right? So you can do transfer across different chains, right? You can test run this on your own when you are free. So without wasting much time, let's move on to thing that I want to quickly cover. So we've talked about Uniswap, right? I want to show you another application, right? So apart from application that has to do with money, okay? This particular application, let me pass. I don't know, my network is terrible. Oh my god, my god, oh my god. Sorry. Please, I even need to be sure people can hear me like this. Okay, oh, please can you hear me? If you guys can hear me, something. Nobody is hearing me. Oh.
The network is really bad, like extremely bad. Like you're breaking.
I know it's bad. Even me, I'm not happy with this network tonight. I know. So please, let's just it's like that. These are the problems that we face. Just pray that. So, guys, I know the network is extremely bad, and I want to strongly believe that um, the rain actually contributed to it, right? Because most of the towers, the network towers are down at the moment because of the rain. Okay, so but don't let that discourage us because as Nigerians, we're always making sure that we figure out the best way to every solution. So don't let the network discourage us. Okay, and this not even be happening at this time of the night or this time of the training because this training aspect is very essential. So, but at the same time, if you can hear me, just drop an emoji before I continue. Okay. If you can hear me, I would be happy if you can drop an emoji. I know the network has been crazy. Yeah, thank you, Manuel. Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you, Starlight. Thank you. Thank you. So please don't let the network discourage us. These are our beautiful Nigerian country. So let's continue. There's an application I wanted to show us, right? And the reason I want to show us this application is very simple. We are for us, this training is 100% run by Blockchain Labs for free in collaboration with our partner, in which you are all part of their community. That is Eloshabo. Um, because we just don't train people, right? We also build products and we build people that build products. Some of you can build applications as well, right? You can build amazing applications. Like one of the things I want to show you now. One of the things I want to show you now. You can build these amazing applications, right? You don't have any limitation. Don't be discouraged by your location. You are smart, you are intelligent, you have the resources. If you don't have the resources now, you can learn it. Nobody came with all the childbirth. They learned it, benefit. So don't be discouraged by where you are or what you have at the moment. So for us at Blockchain Labs, because we don't just like talking about theories, we love doing practicals, right? We build applications. So this is an application that we built internally. This is peer to pass. Just think of like some of are probably used to dating platforms. I'm sorry to say, but you know how dating platform work now. You sign up, you put your profile, and the platform will match you people that match up with your profile. Maybe if you are dating now, they will send the profile of guys that are interested in what you have signed up for. If you are a guy, they send you profile of ladies that match up with what you are interested for. But this is not for dating. This is for students. When we're in school, or some of you that are still in school, you know that no lecturer can cover your syllabus 100% through class. That is why we always have tutorial sessions, one-on-one session with fellow students to help us. So this time around, we discovered that during COVID period, a lot of students were at home and they were lost, right? There was no way to connect with other students and the academic level was disrupted. Now, even ASU is on strike. This is like the second week of ASU strike in Nigeria today, like as we are talking right now. But does that stop academics? It does not stop. If ASU is tomorrow now, they will take it on their calendar that they don't teach you. And that's none of their problem. It's not there for you as a student to figure out how you want to pass or succeed. So we built Here to Pass. So it's a platform for students to connect with other students across Nigeria. So if you need a study partner for a particular subject, maybe you are a student studying UI and you need a study partner and you cannot find it in UI, you can look for someone in probably OAU or maybe Futa. So it's a platform for students to connect and they can study together. Now it's a decentralized application, right? We know we're a Web3 focused company. So the first thing you will do is connect your wallet. That's why you can see the reason why we are training you for some of these stuff. I showed you how you can transfer tokens, swap tokens on one platform. Now, this particular application is what we built by ourselves from Blockchain Live. So if you go through it, you can see that we have students already from Fui, we have them from Show, and we'll still be bringing more students, right? So this is an application that the first thing you do is connect your wallet. Once you connect your wallet, just like the application I showed you earlier, you connect your wallet. Once you connect your wallet, you approve it. Once you approve it, you'll be able to fill in your students' data, your name, your school, the course you are studying, your profile picture, and so much more. So much more. So this is how the application works. So once you fill in your details, you can now study with someone. Maybe you need a study partner for calculus, for computer science, for political science, for chemistry. You guys can study together for 30 minutes, 1 hour, 45 minutes. And after your study, you review each other and then you mint an NFT. So there's a whole lot, right? So we are just showing you this so that you can know that for us as a company, we just don't train people. We train you to build reasonable products like this. So tomorrow, if you are in Shogo, you are in Osun State or in Southwest as a whole, trust me, you are going to come across it as in coming months because you are doing a lot of awareness. If you have your friends that are in school, let them sign up for this. This is an alpha project for us, and we are so happy to share this with you as a community members. This is like a live project that we built. So, my dear people, you can do the same. We want you to do the same. We want you to be better. We want you to build applications like this that you can use it to attract funding. Okay. What if you build something and you get a grant of 30K, 40K dollars? Why not? Why not? But trust me, this application that you're looking at right now, a lot of resources has gone into it. But I'm just sharing this with you so that you can know that you can do the same. You can set up a team and you can come to us if you need guidance, even if you need developers, we can spin it up for you. Okay, because we want it to be better. So this is an application that we built internally at Blockchain Labs. Okay, so it's a decentralized study platform for people that are in school that need study partners so that they can pass. They can study together for their exam, projects, or assignments. Okay, so that is that about that. So without wasting much time, let me go to the last. Let me go to the last one. So this is the last application we are going to put in tonight. So please pay very close attention. So there's something we call identity in blockchain. Okay, let me show you something. When you go to school, when you get admission, your school they have your name, your home address, everything. You fill it up, but across your entire 5 or 6 years that you spend in school, your identifying number is your matric number. Nobody hears the same matric number with another person. There's a reason why. So that's why when you want to sign up into your student portal, they will tell you put your magic number and your password. If you want to print a course form, put your magic number and your password. If you want to see your results, put your magic number and your password. Because your magic number contains your identity. Everything that anybody needs to know about you. But do you know that an outsider cannot come and know your magic number? Because it is unique to you. So the same way in blockchain, a wallet can have a unique identity. So there is a platform where you can spin up a unique identity. For instance, your wallet address. Now, if you want to receive Bitcoin and you change your wallet address, your wallet address can start with BTC, blah 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 blah, numbers 000x123 something something. It should be so long, right? But if you don't want it to be that long, you can create a unique identity that we have maybe precious.eth. Once you send precious.eth, you just type it. Anything that you want to receive, go straight to your wallet address. Or you put starlight.eth or tolulope.eth. That is what makes ENS, we call it Ethereum Name Service unique. It shortens, it allows you to link your preferred username to your wallet address. So with your username, you can receive and send assets. You can exchange assets all over the world with just a username. but it will have to be linked to your wallet address. So let me even open it. And just open it so that you guys can see it. So without your username, you can do so many things. Instructing your wallet address. See, this thing I'm telling you, just imagine you are working with a global company now. You are working as a freelancer with a Web3 company, and they say send us your wallet address. You don't need to go and copy your wallet address. Once you have linked your wallet address to this, I'm sharing this now. I'm pretty sure you guys can see it. This can see this page. Can you just Japan emoji? Ah, okay, please, if you can hear me, just drop an emoji. If you can hear me, can you drop an emoji? Ah, Starlight, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Starlight. Thank you, Precious. I appreciate that. Thank you, guys. So, so, um, this is ENS. So, what that allows you to do is that even as you have now, you have your wallet address. Okay, you can create a unique username and link it to your wallet address. So it makes things easier. When project came out, the minimum hacking is $17. So these are what projects sometimes come out, and you see your friends here on their Twitter account that they made 6K, they made 10K, they made 2K. So different projects can come up with their different names. I'm so sorry, it's still the network, but if you can hear me, I want to strongly believe everybody can hear me, right? So this this application is another decentralized application. There's a reason why I showed you a live transaction of how to swap earlier. There's a reason why I showed you another application that allows students to interact with one another, even though we built that internally. This is another application that is built by external developers. We are not the one that built this one. It's a global application. In fact, search for them on Twitter. You see that it's a very big project. Okay. You'll be seeing a lot of Web3 projects like this. So when you see them, you will see a button to connect your wallet. So this is what makes it very unique. So guys, I want to quickly add that this is the beginning of another life transforming journey for you. Look at this chart. We have like aside myself, we have 5 people, right? 5 people. Or let me see, 4 people. How many people started? See how many people that are here. It does not mean that other people don't want to join or anything, but you guys could have come up with excuses as well, right? But you still deem it necessary to show up. It shows that you guys want to make your life better with Web3. Okay? So I want to congratulate you. And I want to say a very big well done to you. That despite the fact that this course is free, we didn't charge you a single kobo or naira, but you still deem it necessary to show up. And it's a big encouragement for us to create this time. We've been on this course since 8 a.m., 8 p.m. rather, and this is 9:25. So this is approximately 1 hour plus. In the next 5 minutes, we're going to make it 1 hour. Okay. So I want to say a big thank you to every one of you for showing up. Tell you that this was exactly how I started in 2018. So you may start with trading now, and you may not make a single dollar in the next 2 to 3 months, but don't give up. What you should be asking yourself is, what skill that do I have to go further? So if you are in Oshogo, I just want to implore you, if you are in Oshogo, please reach out to me. We'll be happy to have you around physically. We want to sit you down. Let's have a one-on-one conversation. Okay, this is my course. Okay, this is my core strength. This is where I need you guys to, like, once you ask you some questions, you'll be able to now come up with a roadmap. What has worked for me? I make my money from there. I don't have any other like source of making money. So why not open the same door for everybody? It's not a place you can keep. I want everybody to be okay. The money is big for everybody, but it's a place where you need skills. So if you're in the show, please feel free to reach out. We'll be happy to host you. Come around. Let's have a chat. Let's sit down. Let's talk together. Okay, this is what I want to do next. Now you understand how to create wallet, how to connect your wallet to decentralized application, how to do analysis, how to send and receive digital assets. Now, the next question is, how do I make money? You can only make money with your skills. Nobody, even in what space, nobody can give it away for life. You must have a value that you are offering people before they can pay you. So the same thing applies to everything. So if you come around, can sit you down. Okay, we think you're a content person. Okay, I think content can work well for you. This is what you need to do. These are, if you're a developer or a designer, okay, sit down. These are the things that you can do. Okay, so that's why we created this course in collaboration with our partner, to make sure that people are empowered and your lives can be better. It has helped me. It has helped. That's why all our trainers, they are waiting you Jesus. See, people feel they move around, they get like 15K dollars for that already. Now, if you jam 20K for through work tomorrow, nobody can know. They become a very big person and do your stuff. Okay, so let me also have. It's very easy and very difficult to make money in Web3. But the question is, what do you want to do? That question will can help you to figure it out. So in our community on Telegram, we'll continue to share opportunities. There are always jobs that we scout for and we push it to our community. You can always apply to them. Secondly, there are so many technical writing jobs. There are so many content creation jobs. There are so many design jobs that will be sharing from time to time. Please apply to them. But I am begging you, if you are personally in a show, reach out to us because we are so much interested in meeting people one-on-one. We want to reach out to you, want to connect with you, want to make your life better, okay? At no cost for you at the moment. Come to us, let's sit down, let's talk and see how we can come up with a roadmap that make your life better. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of this session. Um, I want to say a very big thank you to everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you a very big much. We appreciate you for making this a reality for us. A lot of people started, no, but not everybody ended, right? You guys can come up with excuses and all that. But there's a reason why people that take action rules the world. This is the reason why. If you are employed in a global company, or you are a remote worker, this is the training that you'll be doing. This is how you'll be working with people globally through calls like this. So even if rainfall or thunder destroy all the transformer in your environment, and you have a company that's paying you salary that is not even there, you must figure out how you get light. That's why all the Web3 guys or people that are working in they buy backup, they buy solar. So there's no excuse. If I tell you where I am doing this call with you guys will be shocked. But I have to make sure that tonight's session was old. We can just like, everybody can come with excuses, but excuses don't solve problems. Excuses, excuses does not solve problems. It's only the doers. So I want to once again congratulate you. So if you are yet to send your picture to the Telegram group, your picture and your name, please do that tonight so that we can send out we can push the design. So tomorrow is for graduation. Please, there's always this thing we always talk about in our company. Even if it's just one life, we are not about numbers. They are not paying us, right? We just want to make our life better. Even if it's just one person that graduates, that one person, if that person takes what they did seriously, right? The person can make life better for himself and other people after him. And he can spread the good news that I got to live about it through blockchain labs, right? So this is something that we are happy to introduce you to. And we're also very glad that you took it serious, despite the fact that there have been a lot of calls, personally from your hand. And, everybody can come up with excuses, right? But we are so happy that you took it serious. And we know that space is ready for you as champions. So let me also add quickly that we always have a Twitter space every Sunday where we'll be doing back-to-back analysis. Remember I told you, blockchain, Web3 on is Twitter. So please go and activate your Twitter account. If you don't get Twitter account, this is the time to take Twitter serious. So if you don't like Twitter before, you must like Twitter now because Web3 is about Twitter. Now then we dey go share our fast. Now then we dey get jobs. Now then we dey do space, community meetup. So we always have a Twitter space every Sunday to discuss, catch up, where even you talk. And the more you talk, you share your experience, the more people will like you and start growing your account. All those guys, I see that you have 2K, 5K followers. Now small, they build them. Before you know it, if you do it consistently, you can build your account to 1K, 2K. There are some ambassador rules that if you don't have minimum of 500 followers on Twitter, you cannot get it. It's normal. If you want to pay Gimo or Alike Period to do advert for you now, you know how much you go pay them now. It'll be small money. You get reason why those guys they grow their account. You say grow your account in Twitter or Twitter rather. That's why they work everywhere. Boost yourself. Tag us. So tomorrow we'll meet by 8 p.m. We won't take much time tomorrow. It's just graduation, have fun, gist, that, and all that. Okay. Maximum of 30 minutes we are done so that everybody can catch up and enjoy the rest of their Friday. Because I know you guys want to go and do it, so we don't want to stop you. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. We're so very grateful to have you tonight. Thank you for taking your time to see this to the end. And I'm so proud of you. I want to see you make money with Web3. I want to also I want to be happy that you share the good news in Web3 to other people. So thank you so much and see you all tomorrow. Have a lovely night first. In case you want to say something, you can meet your mic. I beg. But in the absence of nothing, let's keep it till tomorrow so that everybody can rest. Okay? So bye bye.